In this video, I'm going to teach you every working code in Destiny Rising. So if you wish to know that, I actually recommend you to go to online in order to see the codes that are working for the current date. So as of right now, it's already September and here are the Destiny Rising codes for September 2025. So we have in here the working codes, which is Destiny R 2025, which gives 60 Lumia leaves. This is actually a new code as of September 9. You can also see in here some favorite action games, and if you want to redeem them, just launch Destiny Rising on your actual device. And then from in there, click onto the settings into the corner right here, click onto the other tab, and from in there, choosing here the redemption code and click on redeem and enter the code that we have. After that, click on exchange. From in there, you can also see all the expired Destiny Rising codes, so take note of this right here in order to not waste any time to use them again. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.